We're still here in Herman, Maine, still at the Dysarts. We did not get a load yesterday after we got our new fuel filter installed. So basically watching a little YouTube, watching a little, or doing a little video upload from our nice slow weekend. Had a cup of hot chocolate and sent off a quick message to dispatch to find out what the status is for our next load. It is now 8:30 in the morning Eastern time. Dispatch is in Tulsa. They're on Central Time, so they're an hour behind. So basically now we're just waiting for them to get us a load. You know, we're right near Bangor, Maine. So I know that's going to be a little difficult at times. But here we sit, here we wait. All right. All right, we're finally pulling out of here. As much as I may like Maine, I ain't here for the tourism. I'm here to work. So, pulling out here, heading over to West Ossipee, New Hampshire. Also called Madison, New Hampshire. We're gonna go over here.
In 400 feet, turn right on Odland Road.
So basically the dispatcher is still thinking I'm in Waterville, but I'm 60 miles further away. So I gotta contact my DM in a little bit, my driver manager, and make sure they tack on that extra 60 miles. Because I had to come over here and get some repairs done. So we got about 3 hours ahead of us to get over there. They want me there just about 2:30. So it's 10:45 right now. So we got a little bit of time to spare to get over there. up upon our shipper here in a moment so we can pick up our load of lumber. And we'll find out where we exactly need to be to get loaded.
Approaching destination in 1 mile on the right side. Winding road ahead.
And then we can get ourselves loaded, strapped down. Get all tarped up, and then we can get on our way. Hopefully they can load us fairly fast so we can get to a Love's or a Pilot tonight. Pine Tree Power.
Approaching destination in 0.2 miles on the right side.
On the right side. Campfire wood. Madison Mill Lumber.
You have arrived at your destination on the right side. 1991 Plains Road, RT41.
Okay, I don't know. Let's go straight here. And loaded for the next stop. There we go.
In 200 feet, make a U-turn if possible and then turn left in 530 feet.
Alright, we're going to park over here in this field. Then we'll go in and see. Where they want me to be. Can't park on some dirt here. All right, they got us loaded pretty quick here. So we're getting ourselves strapped down. We had a load of tongue and groove boards, white pine. So we got 29,000 linear feet, which basically at 1.3 pounds per foot, approximately. At least that's what white pine used to weigh for me. So we're looking at about 34,000, maybe topping at 26 or 36, but no, not too heavy a load. So it's getting strapped down here. You can see a couple different heights. So things got to be strapped a little bit, a little weird sometimes, especially the centerpiece. The back one and the front one, pretty much even, pretty much just square. But the middle one has definitely got the some odd angles. But basically 4 straps alternating for each. Then we're gonna put our last piece of dunnage right back there, chain it back down. Got our tarps up already. So all we need to do is tighten down and we'll be good to go. Okay. We are leaving our shipper. It took me about an hour and 35.
600 feet, turn left on RT16.
About an hour and 35 minutes to get loaded, strapped, tarped, and everything buttoned up so we can head it down the road. Put on 3 tarps, 12 straps, reset dunnage, everything's pretty decent. So we don't weigh that much. We're only about 34,000 approximately.